Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you want to add hundreds of TikTok accounts to MKT Tik Pro within just a few minutes, without getting confused, watch this video. I'll guide you step by step, safely and efficiently. First, we need to create a new account category for management. Here, I'll name the category Add Accounts. After adding the category, click Add Account. We'll need to prepare the accounts we want to import into the software. I already have a file ready with the following login formats: ID, password, email, email password, and cookies. I'll list each format separated by a vertical bar. Here's the ID, then the password, followed by the email, the Hotmail email password, and finally the cookies. Next, I'll copy all the account data from the file and paste it into the software. Then, choose the category where you want to save the accounts and select the correct format, just like I explained earlier. Enjoy watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one. If you'd like to purchase this software, feel free to contact me.